Good afternoon. My name is Arena Cardenas. I'm a person with I listen. I have a disability, but I need to read lips because I read them. I help people with disability with Cuscam, Manos que Educan, those organizations, so that I can help the children who are being trained, children, adolescents, and young adults. That people, those are people that have not received any help on their education. Sometimes they don't know sign language. Sometimes they don't know how to interpret the Spanish language as it is. We're working on an inclusive policy in the schools. Sometimes we talk about integration and inclusion, all these policies in the schools, but sometimes when some people with disabilities are included, but they're not integrated, there is always something that is missing. Regarding I've been trained or not on the law, I haven't, but I've read it because it depends on each one of us to know what is the law, what is the law telling me, because we are not just waiting for other people to tell me this is the information that we have here and I'll just believe that person. We have to take a step and also train yourself on it. If I work with the government or not, directly or indirectly, well, in the different association I support, we work indirectly with the government, helping with some campaigns that awareness campaigns on other fairs that we have, or the workshops. So that they ask us with explaining what are the problems that the deaf community faces. I was born in Peru, but I've been raised and brought up in Venezuela. I returned to Lima like 3 years ago. You know the problems that Venezuela faces right now. I returned to Lima 3 years ago. I've been trying to help people with disability, but I just face the reality that on the other hand, the people and the private sector and the government here in Peru, they don't give or provide real and honest help, support. I started a research on the inclusion of deaf people on the university level, but I didn't receive the support that are required for this research. But as long as I was doing it, I got together with some other organization that I was able to help. Step by step, we saw that there are so many barriers and there are so many solutions. As you said, there's a many barriers. Despite the fact that there's many years that people with disabilities are fighting for, I will say that the first thing that we have as a barrier is education and health. Because in the health area, there's a lot of things to be worked on, improved. The transportation as well, because we don't see anything that's real that will help people with a disability, physical disability. I think that those three priorities that we need, that we will need to be helped on, and we work in an orderly way. I believe that in Lima there is a lot of conflict with different associations. With the deaf association, there's people that they know us and they fight with us. Those there don't like to work with those over there. So I don't like that, to be truly honest. I just acknowledge that many associations don't talk to him, don't go out with that person. I'm an independent person, so I decided where to or who to go with, or who to support.